Tutorial Services provides free peer-led tutoring services and academic skills sessions to UNC students enrolled in undergraduate level courses. Let's learn a little bit more about tutoring.
Hi everyone, I am Allie Hauk. I am a University 101 instructor and I help students transition to the university. The transition to college is really difficult, and part of that difficulty is the adjustment to the academic rigor for college classes. Part of the struggle is that people feel like they don't perform as well when they enter college, and so UNC has provided some opportunities through the Division of Student Academic Success for you to have support here on campus. One of those support services is tutoring, and one of our on-campus tutors is going to tell us more about that.
Hi, my name is Danny. I am a tutor at Tutorial Services here on campus. Today I have Bailey with me. She is a student that I am tutoring this semester. The purpose of Tutorial Services is to build critical thinking skills and problem-solving skills and study skills for students who come in. Tutorial Services is for students who need help understanding concepts, but also for students who understand and want to kind of build those skills of analysis and evaluation. So with that, Bailey is here. I'm going to ask her kind of how she thought tutoring was going to be and how it ended up being.
So as I started tutoring, as I went into tutoring freshman year, I just assumed that the tutors were going to make me feel like I wasn't smart. But over the course of time, every time I went to tutoring, it was wonderful. Everyone has always made me feel welcomed. And I go at least twice a week. It's very helpful, and I'm happy it's on campus.
It's a great service. It's a great thing to build into your weekly schedule. Kind of like Bailey said, going once or twice a week can really help you improve those skills that you have and make sure that you're performing the way that you want to perform in your classes. So don't be afraid to come out to tutoring. We're here to help you and here to make sure that you succeed.